Bienvenidos a la Cámara de Comercio Paraguay-China, soy Gisela Chenú y estoy acá con el señor Davis Joseph, con quien organizamos un congreso de medicina en el cual la Cámara de Comercio tuvo como sponsor. Ahora, decime Davis, este 27 de abril estuviste presentando una publicación en el International Journal of the Molecular Science. ¿Cómo esto ayudará a descubrir la cura para el Alzheimer, Parkinson y otras enfermedades del cerebro?
Thank you very much for having me in this wonderful country. So my work primarily specialized on discovering a new mechanism which caused a very specific chemical reaction only in the brain. This was important because this chemical reaction was happening in a protein which controlled protein synthesis inside the brain cells, neurons. So in my first paper, I discovered the mechanism. Basically, what was going on is that this reaction was happening specifically because of the axons, which are only found in neurons, and the proteasome poor environment inside the axons, based on the data I obtained. In my second paper, based together with my results and my critical analysis of 224 research papers, I found that this mechanism which I discovered is also a common master switch, which, if targeted with drug therapy, allows for the control of the occurrence and progression of multiple neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, because deamidation is specifically involved in the control of two very important pathways in medicine. First off, translational control of proteins such as tau, the amyloid precursor protein, as well as alpha-synuclein, through its binding to eIF4E. All those proteins are dependent on eIF4E for production, which is called cap-dependent translation. Also, deamidation controls the activity of NF-kappa B through synaptic transmission modulation, which is a protein involved in protection of patients during Alzheimer's disease, from neurodegeneration in Alzheimer's disease. So it's a very, very, very important pathway which I discovered through my research results and my analysis of the theoretical concepts.
Bueno, Davis, estuve viendo tu descubrimiento y tus artículos también. Y quería proponerte la posibilidad de qué pensabas en realizar la producción de las pastillas, pills, acá en Paraguay. ¿Es una posibilidad?
Yo comprendo que están pastillas. Gracias. Sí, it is a possibility. I've been in Paraguay and I've seen you have a lot of talent, a lot of hardworking people in your country. So that would be the logical and appropriate next step. I have finished developing the drug.
Wow.
And the production would be optimal in Paraguay. So that's my plan for now.
Excelente. Entonces te esperamos acá en la Cámara de Comercio Paraguay-China para poder ayudarte con todos los procesos de producción. También queremos agradecerte por estar hoy acá, decirte que siempre vas a ser bienvenido acá en Paraguay. Agradecerle también al señor Florian por la organización del congreso, por ayudarnos a hacer esto posible. Y nada, bienvenido, que tengan buen viaje y gracias. Gracias absolutamente.
Muchas
por
gracias.
todo.